because of supplement, so let me go through a bit quickly. So in fact, we can have the further notation. Waiting time in queue, we don't have any queue, but we have index I of the ICE customer. And here, this is the remaining service time, or simply called residual service time seen by the ICE customer. That says we can have the remaining time. For example, you line up here. You are the ICE customer, but you want to check. Well, how much remaining time is for that customer in the server? Just want to check that one. So it is called the residual service time, but seen by a specific customer. Here we have a node index I, so ICE customer. And this one service time, and this one number in queue. Alright, so if we have all of these. In fact, for all of us who want to know waiting time for ICE customer, before ICE customer, we have I-1 and the other. So that says we want to wait for the other customers. Right? Once we wait for the other customer, right now I am head of line. So I want to check what's the remaining time. Once it finished, then it's my turn. So this formula stands for this meaning. So think about this again. For example, right now I assume here 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 and the others. I want to care about the waiting time of 10. So 10 is wait. At least 10 is wait the service time of Verdica, Valencia, Jason, Christopher. And then after that one, so you have Ken want to check Christopher. How long you want to stay here, right? If you know the remaining time, then try to get. Sorry, not that one. The residual. Sorry, not that one. Actually, it is some actual residual one. So maybe I have some misinterpretation. I think about this. Let me check. Maybe something wrong. Oh, sorry. This one residual time means. See, sorry, I have maybe misinterpretation. I service time actually it should be R sub I means ICE customer arriving to the current system, stay in queue, but seeing some customer in the server, but remaining time. So sorry, then you have something changed. For example, right now I'm the customer in the server, and can arrive at the system, seeing the remaining time of mine. So can want to check how long you still want to stay. So get it, and then you can have R sub I. So that customer lead, and then will be the service time by Veronica, Valencia, Jason, and Christopher, and finally it's Jason. It's Ken's turn. That's all. So this is a formula. I use this way to directly have the meaning. Is it okay? So let me check. First of all, let me check Matt. Understand the explanation for this equation.
So X means the ICE customers.
Service time.
Service time.
Yeah, service time. So for example here, we care about the service time of the previous one. Maybe you still have a question about the index. You can check the index, but right now I don't have enough time. But index of I-1, I-2, I-2, the others. Alright, once Ken come into the system, check in the queue. Before Ken, how many customer there is? Alright, so we have the index for those customers. And also one customer in the server already, but we use it by R sub I. Yeah, that's it. And once we have it, maybe let me have a few minutes. So we can have the manipulation by taking expectations here. And expectation, we can have a condition. So we can have a conditional expectation. And so that we can have the results. If we have the results, then it says taking limit. So we can have this formula. And this formula, then everything's okay. This one, okay. But we want to know residual time. Well, the residual time, how to get residual time? You can have some relationship, this correct, so we can have this way, and so that we have the new expression. Once we have a new expression, the problem is how to find residual time. Residual time, actually, we have this. We can use this one, residual. So how to have a residual? Look at this. This one. You can have a time axis. Service time of any customers. So we want to have you want around here. So oh well, you still have the remaining time, but it will decay if you go along with the time. Alright, so this is a residual time. So you see residual time, and here we have a mean residual time. How to have a mean residual time? We use time average. Alright, so we just follow the time average. This one, time average. And the time average, actually, you can have the proper arrangement. So finally, you will have this result. Well, that's all. I just point out the key points. You can follow the supplement to have the key point. Once you have the key point residual time, and then that's done. We have these by checking that figure, and so that we have this one. So we have a PK formula. Well, in fact, the new concept up now, maybe for the previous one, maybe not new concept. The new concept actually is a figure here. How to have the plot for the residual time. So we have the equilateral triangle, so that we can have this. Once you have this, then you can have the PK formula. That's it. So same, left to you to check. This one. So understand the figure, and so that you can have the deviation, so that you have the result. And in fact, you know this is lambda, and this is the second moment. So lambda is second moment. But you need to check it. Right now, I don't have enough time, so I go through quickly. Right? Let me point out, if you know the relationship, try to have a mean of M of P, they can cancel. But we'll try to have the meaningful quantities. Meaningful quantity. You can check it easily, so you will have the results. All right, this is the second moment. This is the second supplement. Second supplement, just try to that you have the alternative, and the alternative to that you have the easy way to have the result. Maybe right now you don't think it's an easy way, but if you can check it, you will find it really easy because we don't have any lengthy derivations, and so they can have the quick result. That's it. So this way, in fact, just need to think about this. A good or maybe someone smarter, so that he can definitely have the easy way to have the derivation. That's it. So I think you should understand it, and so they can have the result. And that's all. So this is supplement 2, and I just didn't have the key point. As for supplement 3, to explain details though, to have MG1, to have something else. If you don't like the version in chapter 2, in fact, you can refer to this one. And actually, this one serving as the optional one. So of course, this time I let you know, but I skip it totally. However, you can check it by yourself if you want to know same alternative to understand MG1 or the other system. Sure, go and check it. Alright, that's all. So up to now, any questions? So I should let you know a good news. We finished the discussion for chapter 2. Even for the supplement, I jumped. Alright, that's all. So I will go to chapter 3 next time. Yeah, maybe waiting for a long time. Finally, we can reach chapter 3. I think maybe time's up, and actually we need to stop it. So if you still have any questions, just let me know through email or maybe come to my office, and so that we can let you know more. Alright, that's all. So any questions? If no, that's it. And see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.